Hello everyone, and in this video we will be installing the Raspberry Pi operating system on the micro SD card. So I have downloaded the Raspbian operating system. The process is almost same for all the operating systems. So first of all, take out your SD card and put it in a SD card reader and plug it into your PC, and this is the software that we will be using to format the SD card. This is the micro SD card formatter. So as you can see, boot D drive, this is my SD card, 8 GB SD card. You simply have to click on format button and it starts formatting, and the SD card is now completely formatted. It's 8 GB micro SD card. So this is the headless mode of setting up Raspberry Pi, in which you don't need any monitor, keyboard, mouse or Ethernet port. So as you can see, the micro SD card is completely formatted. Now you have to download another software called Etcher. Simply open the software, and before that you need to download the operating system itself. So I have here Raspbian Stretch. It's a 4 GB operating system for the Raspberry Pi. I'll provide the link of the Raspbian OS in the description. You can find that link and you can download the Raspbian OS from there. Let me just Raspberry Pi. Yep, Raspberry Pi operating system. Yeah, so here it is, Raspberry Pi downloads. There was error. Okay, it is nothing. Yeah, so this is the software, and you need to download the Raspbian OS first. So you can choose from Noobs or Raspbian. I have downloaded the Raspbian one. It is based on Linux. So you have to select the image. You will be getting an ISO file. Simply locate the folder where you have downloaded or where you have placed the operating system and click on open. Then you have to choose your directory, your SD card. Here it is 8 GB micro SD card. Then you need to click on flash button. So this will take time, and approximately half an hour. So till then you can do whatever you want to do, and we'll continue after that. So okay, the flash is completed. Now so flash is completed, and the micro SD card is completely flashed with the operating system. Now you need to plug out the SD card and again plug in into your computer or laptop. So here are the files of the operating system. Now we need to do some changes. So yeah, so there are two files, this SSH and the WPA supplicant. So it is just a notepad document, there's nothing on it. Just rename the document as SSH and create another document, notepad file, rename it to WPA underscore supplicant.conf, and you can paste these settings. So basically this is the Wi-Fi SSID and password you want your Raspberry Pi to connect when it boots up. So write your SSID and password for your Wi-Fi network for which you want to connect your Raspberry Pi. Now you simply have to copy these files. Simply copy and paste it with the operating system. And just here, make sure you rename rename the file SSH and WP underscore supplicant.conf. Now just plug out the SD card. You can safely remove the SD card. Now put it into your Raspberry Pi, and then simply attach a data cable. So I've created a hotspot. So as you can see, as the Raspberry Pi boots up, it will connect it to that particular hotspot, giving us the IP. You need that IP basically. So open another software called Putty and paste that IP. Okay, it is showing some error. We'll do that again. You just need to copy that IP put it right there and just click on open. Yeah, so login as Pi. By default username is Pi, and the password for Pi is Raspberry, RASPBERRY, and voila, we are in the Raspberry Pi terminal. Here the first command you need to write is sudo apt get update. Click on it and it will depend on your internet connection. This will take time as the Raspberry Pi is updating its repositories. This will take time, and it depends on your internet connection basically. So yeah, it is done. Next command you need is sudo apt get upgrade. So it is installing those repositories that the Raspberry Pi have downloaded. So these are the basic commands you need to run. Yeah, press Y here. It is requiring some 23 MB of additional space, so press Y. So this will also take time depending upon your internet connection. And these are the commands you need to run when you first boot up your Raspberry Pi. So this is how you set up the Raspberry Pi without any keyboard mouse. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.